so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today you and I are gonna draw Twinkle from Little Baby Bum. Wow, Twinkle is such a cute star in the night sky. Yeah, and she's always smiling. Okay, to draw Twinkle, you need either yellow or orange, and we're gonna draw a lot of curved lines that come to a point. All right, just like that. Whoa, very thick looking star, right? Whoa, there we go. And one last one. Whoa, yeah. All right, now we need to draw some circles for the eyes. Whoa, a big circle, another big circle, and then fill in a small circle. Yeah, just like that. And then short, small little lines for the cute, pretty eyelashes. Then a big smile. But we also need to draw a pink bow tie. There we go, just like that. Whoa, there we go. Yeah, she's so cute. Well, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again, bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to know one of my favorite snacks when it's really hot outside? Yeah, an ice cream cone. They taste so good, and it's nice and cold when it's hot outside. Hey, why don't you and I draw an ice cream cone? All right, first I'm gonna start with the color purple, and then I'm gonna act like I'm drawing a circle, but I'm gonna stop about halfway. And then I'm gonna draw some half circles on the bottom, just like that. Ooh, that's the ice cream. Ooh, and then you can't forget about the cone. So I'm gonna use the color brown and draw a V. Yeah, if I drew straight across there, then that would be a triangle. All right, let's connect that, just like that. And then I'm gonna do some stripes. Whoa! Yeah, it looks like we have some texture right there. Wow, doesn't that look yummy? Whoa! Wow, I sure do love drawing, and I sure do love ice cream. I only eat ice cream after I eat a nice healthy meal. Well, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today, you and I are gonna draw an animal. And this animal looks like a horse, a bit smaller, and it's only black and white. Yeah, a zebra. Since the paper is white, let's take a black marker, draw an oval for the head, an oval for the body. Ooh, and let's draw a rectangle right there for the neck. Well, kind of looks like a square, but let's draw 4 rectangles on the bottom for the legs. Whoa, there we go. All right, now let's draw some flowy lines for the tail. Whoa, now it's starting to look like a zebra, right? Yeah, we need an oval for the ear though, a circle for the eye, ooh, a curved line for the snout. Ooh, there we go, and a smiley face. And then what do zebras have? Yeah, stripes. So let's do some stripes just like that. Perfect. Some on the neck right there. And then we can't forget about the mane. Whoa! Let's color in the mane black. There we go. Whoa! What a pretty zebra. Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you see what I'm wearing on my head? Yeah, my hat. I wear this hat every single day. I love hats. They look really cool, and they keep the sun from hitting your head. Whoa, how about you and I? We could draw my hat together. All right, first let's draw a curved line on the bottom, a parallel curved line as well, straight line, a straight line, and then a half circle up top. Whoa! And then this is gonna be a little tricky. Check this out. Whoa! All right, let's draw an oval for the button. All right, and what color is my hat? Yeah, blue and orange. All right, so we need to repeat them. There's orange, here's orange, and then orange down here, of course. And then right up top, we're gonna have to do blue right here. Yeah, it's a pattern. Blue, orange, blue, orange. And how does that look? Does it look great or does it look great? I know. Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Rah! Today, you and I are gonna draw a shark. Not just any shark, a great white shark. Yeah, do you know what color they are? Yeah, the color gray. Gray on top, white on the bottom. All right, let's take our gray marker and make a curved line, make a point, come back. Whoa, and now for the tail. Whoa, yeah, look at that. That's a great start. All right, now we need to make some fins. There we go. All right. Yeah, it's really looking like a shark now. Look at all those angles and points. They kind of look like triangles, don't they? All right, now let's draw a line right through here. Wow, and now we need to draw the teeth. Rah! So pointy and sharp. Ah! And a nice circle for an eye. Whoa! Did you know great white sharks, on average, they grow to 15 feet in length. That's about 4.5 meters. Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I would love to draw something with you. How about a computer? Yeah, a computer is a machine that you can work on. Whoa, sending emails, or maybe you could even edit and make a video. Awesome. All right, to draw a computer, I'm gonna grab my black marker and draw a rectangle up here. Whoa, look at that rectangle. And then I'm gonna draw a rectangle inside the rectangle for the screen. Whoa, check that out. And then I'm gonna draw a really wide base rectangle. Wait a second, that looks like a trapezoid. Whoa, let's draw some lines like this. Whoa, and then some horizontal lines. Yeah, now that looks like the keyboard. Whoa, computers are awesome. And maybe on the screen, you're watching a video of a heart. Wow, cool. Wow, I love drawing, and if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you seen me drive my Blippi mobile? Oh, it's a really cool car, but not an ordinary car. Yeah, I have attachments and I can go in really cool places. Hey, why don't you and I draw my Blippi mobile together? First, let's start with one wheel and tire, another wheel and tire, but then we need to take the orange and draw a circle inside there. Yeah, just like that. And then let's take the color blue and then draw a rectangle right in between. Yeah, see that? Whoa! And then we draw a circle like this. Yeah, and that's where I sit. And if we draw straight up, yeah, the back, you can color it in. Whoa! And right here, I'm going so fast. Cool. Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout.